Alright, today YouTube we have a Atrend Flow Series amplifier wiring kit. I went with 0 gauge due to me gonna need quite a bit of power. I did already pop the box open to take a look at it. Comes with 18 feet of power cord, and I did opt for the CCA versus the OFC. You can get it to focus. Alright, now already does come with one side already taken care of on the terminals. Also with the speaker wire. Very nice. Quite a bit. A little bit more than what I'll probably need from my amp to my sub. Then it comes with this little bag of goodies in here. The wire connections look very sturdy. The little zip ties are a little on the flimsy for that big of a gauge. I'm gonna do to the ground and to the power, I'm gonna solder in here, kind of help protect it a little bit more from the elements. More than likely when I install, I'll probably use all three. I like how they're textured. You can see that. Help keep it where they don't come loose. RCAs from this kit to me are a little on the small side. They don't feel as thick as the rest of the wires do from what they are. The remote wire, it feels pretty thick for being just a remote wire. It's definitely better than some of the ones I have seen. Alright. This will be my first time using a blade for a fuse. This is a 250 amp. Pretty simple, easy design. It's gonna have a Allen key that goes there. It doesn't have a directional flow, I don't see, so pretty easy to repair if it would have an issue. No instructions. And the housing is just a little pressure plate. Alright. So it comes with all these. The weather resistant fuse holder, nickel plated. The flex power wire, flex ground cable, your easy connect speaker wire, and then we got the amplifier turn on and the RCAs, and then of course all your little goodies in that bag, and 0 ground failure is what it states. I've never had an issue grounding any of my previous kits, so hopefully this isn't gonna have an issue since it has to state that it's a 0 ground failure. But everything other than the ground is 18 feet. The ground is a little short. I'm used to at least 3 feet, but then again, you get cheaper wire, you can get more product or cheaper product.